at those. So I'm gonna make a caldo de res. It's a beef stew. Here's what I'm gonna start with. So I have 1.5 pounds of oxtail and 1 pound of grass-fed chuck. The oxtails is gonna give you a nice gelatinous base broth that's gonna make it nice and rich. So we're gonna boil these down and let's see what happens. I'm just gonna brown my meat just a tad, not too much because you don't wanna overcook it. I've put a whole onion and 4 garlic cloves. Cut your corn about 1/4, and then I'm gonna put 1 potato. We're gonna cook these first because they're a little bit more starchy. We're gonna toast in this hot skillet the guajillo chili right here. And we're gonna soften these up and puree them. And this is an ancho chili. And you're just gonna toast them up a minute on each side. Cover it up with this lid, and we really wanna get them nice and soft. And then when you're done, you'll just slightly submerge them in water. Then we're gonna put them in a blender and puree them. We'll strain it through a strainer to get out the seeds. You always wanna make sure you take off the stems. I've added my puree chili. And next we're just gonna add about 1 tomato, big quarters, Mexican squash, green beans, cabbage. I don't know if we're gonna add the whole thing. I'm gonna let it cook down. And then we'll see how much we want to add. We added about 1 teaspoon or so of ground cumin and ground cloves. We've had our soup boiling down for about 1.5 hours on the meat. We added our vegetables. Those have been cooking about 30 to 45 minutes. Garnish it with some lime, and voila, you throw some cilantro in there, and you're good to go. Look at that. You got your meat, your corn, all your veggies, caldo de res, boom.